Hello, welcome to Take a Step to a Better You. This video is for you if you are interested in two platforms, YouTube or Skool. So either you are already a YouTuber, you have a YouTube channel, or you want to start one. Or you are already a schooler, you own a school community, or you want to start one. Because I created a community, a new community I call Share Your Story. I want us to be in there sharing our journeys, how we created the YouTube channel and all that's going on, the struggle, the wins, and then also the same for Skool community. You started it already, or maybe you want to start it. So we share stories, but also support each other. So this video is to encourage you to come to my community and see. I recorded actually another video over there that explains it more, so I don't spend so much time on here. And if you're wondering what is all this, you're like this, you're saying, this is not for me. Yes, it could be for you. Until you are 60 years, like me, if you're seeing for the first time, I'm Sherifa Nakalema, I'm a business owner in Virginia, USA, and I'm almost, 15. I was about to say 60, but actually 59 soon, God willing. And I've seen it all. I even had to clean homes here in Virginia, USA. You may wonder why. Oh, yes, it happened when my husband had an accident. I'm now working from home full time, and I'm doing this. I'm back here, very active on my YouTube channel and also on Skool. And I want the same for you. This book, which I read a long time ago, I'm revisiting it. I used to discuss it here on this channel. You have to create assets if you want to be financially independent. Assets, according to him, he doesn't use the accounting term, assets, liabilities. No, he says assets put money in your pocket. Liabilities take money out of your pocket. So we have to create assets that put money in our pocket. And now I have two assets for you, ideas: YouTube, Skool. YouTube channel and the Skool community could actually lead you to what he's saying. At that time, he was talking real estate. We don't have a lot of money to buy houses, but we can do YouTube, we can do Skool, because they all start off free. And then, so when you come in there, you're going to share your journey, your wins. We're going to support you. There's also what I call the 1,000 challenge, meaning support to get to 1,000 subscribers, support to get to 1,000 US dollars. That 1,000, the first 1,000. If you already did this, then let's take it to the next level, because that's what I'm doing also. I already did the 1,000. I'm taking mine to the next level. We could support each other. Please. I don't want to make even this a long video. I just wanted it to start off YouTube to take you to my Skool community. And also, for those of you who are wondering about this message, it's a very important personal finance book. I even tagged it here in case you want to read it. You'll never see money the same way, because he's explaining how these rich people, they use other people's money and other people's time, which is us, other employees, to get rich. Okay, I'm not saying quit your job, but I'm saying see the things there differently. You have to save up some money and start creating your own assets. Like right now here, YouTube requires just your time and your phone. Phones, you can create a channel using just phone. And then the Skool community starts off free, and then $9. So you can afford that, right? And the Skool, these are all international. So what excuse are we giving? No. What you need is someone like me to motivate you to start, to take action, and support you to continue and collaborate with you and give you accountability partners, all that. Yeah. So I'm going to support you in my Share Your Story community. And then you feel energized to keep going when you have people who support you, who care. So please like it, and also share it with, especially someone who gave up on your channel. They started it excited, then they disappeared. You don't see any uploads anymore. Say there are people over there who are going to support you. And also someone who may want to do, especially people who think of traveling to other countries, show them this video, that you know what, they're going to support you to start a community, to start YouTube. It may not come immediately, the money, but it will come, because there are these ways that now you could start making money actually in the first month. Yeah, it's very, very possible, but you have to be committed. Okay, so like I said, like it, share it, subscribe to my channel if you care about the things I talk about, like making money on YouTube and on Skool, and working from home and anywhere, and making passive money. Yeah, that's what I talk about. Scam. I'm everywhere. I'm on YouTube. I'm on Instagram. I'm on TikTok. I'm everywhere. But for now, let's focus on these two, like this: YouTube, Skool. That's where you're going to get an asset. That's where you're going to get a business. You see how it becomes a business? Because this, what I'm asking you to do is I'm doing already. So we have to do support. I like to take people with me. This time, let me share what I know with you, and let's support you. And as we support you, you're going to support others too. So we keep it going, right? Like, share, subscribe if you care about this, and tap on the bell so you get notified when I have videos. When I end this, I say, take very good care of yourself, take very good care of your families, take very good care of your health, because without health, you can't do any of this stuff. They'll be meaningless. So do that and take a step to a better you. Like it, share it. What do you think? Do you have a YouTube channel? Put in the comments for me. Do you have a YouTube channel? You have a school community? What do you have? But connect over there. Remember, if you're not on Skool yet, you have to register to put your real name. Because if you have to make money, if you make money over there, to send it to you, it's going to be in your real name and your real bank account. So please, no fake names. Use your real name. Register. Connect with me when you get there. There is another video explain about that Share Your Story community. So check a link in the description. Check a link in the pinned comment. That's how you get to Share Your Story community. I also have another free community. We'll see if you qualify for that. I'll talk about it over there. Okay? See you over there. Please don't just watch and stop. Go and share with a friend so you are not alone. Okay? Take a step to better you. See you over there.